Hey there, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to bleed the air out of the leveling system. Here are the tools you're going to need: a hammer, a driver bar, a 3/8 drive socket set, a standard set of wrenches, and some zip ties. If your Elliott model has a spongy platform and is not staying level, or it bleeds down when stowed overnight, the steps in this video are going to help you make the necessary adjustments. Before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also want to make sure that you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. Finally, feel free to pause this video at any time to make sure that you're doing each step safely and correctly. Alright, what you're going to want to do is set up the unit in an area where it can be fully tested. Check both side to side and overhead clearance. First, raise the boom out of the boom stand and rotate off to one side so the boom can be lowered down to the proper height for accessing the leveling hoses on the leveling bracket off the tip of the boom, and manually extend both slave cylinders completely. Second, remove the pin from the rod end of the master cylinder and activate the manual leveling retract lever until the master cylinder is fully retracted. Next, loosen the fitting on the retract hose of the platform leveling block at the platform. After removing this fitting, activate the manual leveling retract lever and let the oil flow into a bucket until all of the air is removed from the retract hose. Now, go ahead and tighten the retract hose fitting at the leveling block and hold the leveling retract until both slave cylinders are fully retracted. Then, position the master cylinder so that the master cylinder rod can be fully extended. Next, activate the manual leveling extend lever until the master cylinder is fully extended. After this, loosen the fitting on the extend hose on the leveling block and then activate the manual leveling extend lever and let the oil flow into a bucket until all of the air is removed from the extend hose. Now, tighten the extend hose fitting at the leveling block. Then, using the manual leveling lever, position the master cylinder so the rod side pin and retainer can be reinstalled. Okay, now activate the manual leveling extend lever to fully extend both slave cylinders. This will force any air out of the barrel of the slave cylinders back into the long retract hose that runs through the hose and cable carrier system. And finally, cycle the platform leveling 5 to 7 times, then level the platform. Cycle the boom lift cylinder 3 to 4 times to monitor platform leveling performance. Alright, now that you've bled the air out of the leveling system, you should be up and running. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829, and make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.